2002 Pontiac Sunfire. I'm 95% sure that the rad is leaking. I'm low on my coolant, so I'm giving this Rislone Coolant System Repair fluid a shot. See if it will seal it up. I'm overheating slightly, so hopefully this will fix it. Alright, now that that's in there, I'm going to top up my reservoir with Prestone Dex Cool pre-mixed antifreeze. What's up, guys? This is 2 weeks later. I've been driving to work daily, and I even drove from Toronto to Quebec City 8 hours there and back, and I have not lost any more coolant. So this stop leak is working. I cannot confirm if it was the rad that was leaking. I know I said that before, but I can't really confirm that yet. I'm still looking for the answer to the mystery on why I am slightly overheating. Either way, that's a story for another day. For now, this is proof for a GM engine for a Pontiac Sunfire. Because I know I've heard people have had issues with stop leak for coolant systems. I've heard that people have had issues with it just, I don't know, clogging up certain aspects of the system. But for this 2002 Sunfire, the stop leak that I used has been really good, and it has stopped my coolant reservoir from going down. So that's all I need for now. So I just wanted to pass on this information to you guys.